Show you how to select and do what's called an inner join on two tables. So let's say that we wanted to get, like in this query right here, we want to select the various fields that we want from one table, and then we want to join on another table where two things match. So in this case, we have an ID and a make ID that are referencing each other to show what models are associated with which make, right? So these are all Toyota makes, right? So in this construct. So when we run this query right here, that will bring together all of the data that we want to show that, hey, these are all Toyota make, and here's all the models, right? So when we write this query, we do select, and we select all of the relevant things that we want to show, and we say from the first table, which is models, and then we do an inner join on the other table where the table's ID, or whatever field you're trying to associate together, equals the other table's ID. So when we run this, we get a little bit more data than we want maybe. So what we could do too is we can run this one. So we can just get the model name and the make name from models, and we can interjoin on the other table where those two things are there. We don't have to necessarily select those to reference that they match, right? So when I run that, I can actually get a smaller set of data. I can just get the model name and the make name, right? But also, if you want, you can just do like a single select. So if I want to select model name from models, then I can just get all of those, and there you go. So like you can select different sets of data using the select query, and then you can also select and join when you want two tables to reference together, because a lot of times you will have that need. So yeah, that's how you select and you interjoin tables, and you can reference two tables together.